Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building and deploying serverless AI applications with ZETIC MLange. In this video, you'll learn how to create NPU-powered AI mobile application, all without relying on a GPU cloud server. Start by signing up for ZETIC MLange. Then create a new project and add a brief description. Next, upload your model file along with a sample input. That's all it takes to set up your powerful on-device AI application. While ZETIC MLange benchmarks your model, you can continue working on other tasks. Simply click the button at the top of the dashboard in your project to generate a QR code. Then scan the code using the ZETIC app on your device to see how your model performs in real time. After a few minutes, you can review the Global Device Benchmark Report to see how your model might perform across various smartphones in the world. When you're ready to integrate it into your application, just copy the code snippets generated in the ZETIC MLange dashboard and paste them into your mobile app project. This takes care of all the steps needed to load and run your model on any supported device. With these simple steps, you can transform your AI model into a fully functional NPU-powered on-device AI application. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore our documentation for more in-depth information. AI for all, anytime, anywhere. With ZETIC AI, it's not just a vision, it's reality.